Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a review for this Xbox mini fridge. Um, and the thing with this Xbox mini fridge is it's really small, which is always for a mini fridge. But I guess I feel like when I imagine a mini fridge, I wouldn't think it would be that small. If you know what I mean. Well, the thing is, you can't even fit in there like two bottles. You can't even fit two bottles in there, and that's like, because in a lot of mini fridges you can fit a lot of bottles, like so many of them. But this mini fridge is so small, like it's ridiculous how small it is. I know it's mini fridge, but you wouldn't think it would be so small. Like you can barely fit anything in there. Another thing, it's a fridge, but it's not really cold. Like every time I put like a drink in there, it wasn't even cold at all, and I could barely fit one bottle in there. You know what I mean? Like, um, see Another thing is, I bought it a few months ago, but it's not even working anymore. It hasn't been working for a long time actually, so don't buy this fridge.